Hey there, curly girl. Our curly girl products are designed to help people follow the curly girl method. Now that's the kind of thing that I want to hear from every curly hairline. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are testing out, this is called Pump Hair Care. I don't know if this is a new product line. I'm not sure how long this has been out. I personally had never heard of this hair care line before they reached out to me. This video is not sponsored. This line is literally designed to help men and women with curly hair follow the curly girl method. So obviously that means that all of the ingredients in these products are curly girl method approved. They sent me a whole little kit, which is super cute, and this whole little kit is available on their website. I'm going to get into the products that are in here, but before we get started, you already know the drill. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this review and first impression of Pump Hair Care. I swear it never fails. My contacts always want to go screwy as soon as I try to start filming. By the way, if you guys want to know what I'm wearing on my face or how I got this look, you definitely want to stay tuned for next week's Makeup Monday video. It's a good one. It's a good one. So you definitely want to stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get into Pump Hair Care. Right out the gate, I am obsessed with this packaging. Do you guys want to just guess? Like, take a while, guess why I'm obsessed with it? Go ahead. I'll wait. Pink is my favorite color, and I just adore this packaging. Let me go ahead and get into the products that they sent me. So the first product that they sent me is their Curly Girl shampoo, which is silicone free. Of course, all of their products are Curly Girl method approved. Then they also sent me their Curly Girl conditioner, their soft curl gel, and then finally they sent me their spring back curls, which is a day 2 curl refresher. This again all comes in a kit that is available on their website, and this is the coolest little pick that I have ever seen. So it is very massive, so covers a lot of scalp at one time. It's got this little divider in the center. I don't know exactly why it's designed this way, but I'll tell you what I think about it in this video. So they sent this little insert in the package, and I love that it actually says on here, our Curly Girl products are designed to help people follow the Curly Girl method. And it talks about the Curly Girl method and why the Curly Girl method works and why it's good. I don't follow the Curly Girl method 100%. There are a lot of rules within the Curly Girl method that I have adapted into my curly hair routine that have worked amazing for me, but I have also found that I am not one that likes to be boxed in, and I don't want some super strict, rigorous regimen for my hair care. So just know that there's not one way that is the right way for every single person, but the Curly Girl method is an amazing method that you can really start to do if you are just transitioning and trying to get your natural curls back. And I love that this product line kind of supports what that method is intending to do. I believe that this line is relatively affordable. Now, if you were to buy this whole pack, I believe this whole pack is like $95 on their website, but each product is anywhere between $20 to $22. It's not a drugstore product by any means, but I don't think that it's too crazy expensive, so it won't break the bank too bad. So let's go ahead and move on into my shower where I tested out these products for the very first time. So first step is to, of course, go in with the shampoo, and the shampoo is silicone free. So this shampoo is free of silicone, alcohol, parabens, sulfates, especially designed to enhance your curls. And of course, it's Curly Girl method friendly. This product has a very light, fresh smelling scent. It almost has a little bit of a very natural kind of smell to it. It doesn't smell bad. It's just not my favorite fragrance in the world, but I could definitely look past that. It wasn't anything that was too overpowering. It sudsed up really well on the scalp. I felt like I maybe used a little bit too much, just not knowing how much I really needed with this product. My hair still felt moisturized even after shampooing, so I really did enjoy this shampoo. Then it was time for the Curly Girl conditioner, and this product contains water, which is perfect because that is how we get moisture in our hair, is water. Cherry kernel oil, it has shea butter, it has virgin argan oil, it has natural vitamin E, and a very natural fragrance. And again, this fragrance, it's not overpowering by any means, but it just has a very kind of natural scent to it. This conditioner worked great. It had really great slip, and I will say that before I did my wash day today, I actually went in with an Olaplex treatment because I just had my hair bleached. So I went ahead and went in with an Olaplex treatment and had actually detangled my hair before I got in the shower. So I kind of knew that I wasn't gonna have a problem detangling my hair since it had already previously been detangled, but I still could feel right away that this product had amazing slip. I can always tell if a conditioner doesn't have enough slip, and this one did work well. Now that my hair is nice and clean, it's time to add styling product. So I went ahead and went in with their soft curl gel product. I do want to mention that they actually do have a cream product. It's called their 2-in-1 Define and Repair cream, and this is to help hydrate the curls, and it kind of acts as a leave-in. I am someone that usually uses a cocktail of products, of styling products, so I typically do use a cream and then I follow it up with a gel, but this set only comes with the gel, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and use just the gel and see what it's like. This is a plant-based medium hold gel designed to create definition and smooth frizz on both high and low porosity hair types, and it's got aloe vera gel that keeps moisture in the hair, and it does not have any drying alcohols, which is amazing. I went ahead and applied this very generously to the hair. I wasn't sure, again, exactly how much I was going to need, but I felt like I needed to really get the hair coated since I was only using one product. And this product has a very weird consistency, and it reminds me of the Garnier Fructis Curl Treats line, the jelly. It almost like looks like snot pretty much. This product has almost that same exact consistency. I applied that all over the hair and of course made sure to comb it through, making sure that it was distributed all over the hair. And then I went ahead and did like my typical styling process. I went in with my Denman brush, and how I have been really enjoying styling my hair is flipping my head over, using my Denman brush to comb my hair all completely forward, adding a little more product to make sure that it's completely coated, and then scrunching with my hands, and then my hair repair t-shirt towel, and then plopping. So that is how I've been doing my hair to give myself a little more volume, and I feel like I'm getting better definition. And then it was time to plop and then diffuse my hair.
Now, I do want to mention this was right after diffusing, before I broke any cast. So you can tell that there is kind of a hard look to the hair, and that's because there was still a gel cast. So now it's time to scrunch everything out, scrunching out that cast, making sure that my curls are nice and soft, and then going in with just a little bit of oil. This is the Rose Hair Elixir oil from the Innate Life. Adding that into the hair just for a little extra moisture and extra shine, shaking out the roots. All of this helps to add volume to the hair. So that's why I do all of this. And then I had to go in with that massive pick and pick out the roots. And this pick made it like super quick and easy to do this because it covers so much of the scalp with just a few passes. So really enjoyed using this pick. I don't know what the technology is behind it, but I was digging it. And here you can see this was the results right after completely styling it. And I had super great definition, and I was really happy with it. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you think about the results.
And here we have the results from that wash and that one styling product. I really didn't think this gel was gonna give enough hold to my hair, and it actually gave me really great hold. It left a nice cast, which in my opinion always shows me that my hair will last for several days. The only product that I have not used yet is this right here, which is their Spring Back Curls Day 2 Curl Refresher. Obviously this is a wash day, so I'm not refreshing my hair, but what I will do is I'm going to use this in a few few days. Hopefully I won't even have to refresh tomorrow, but use this in a few days, and I'm gonna update the description box below so that you guys can see how this product worked on its own as well. But y'all, I am so happy with the results of this line. Obviously the shampoo and conditioner, like I can find really great shampoo and conditioners in other lines, but if you're looking for something that's got really clean ingredients, these are great options. This product is what I am super impressed by. I always say the styling products that you use can make or break your wash day results, and this product worked so amazing. Look at the definition that I got in my curls today. It's super soft, but because I had that nice cast, I do feel like I'm not gonna have to do crazy refreshing over the next few days. My hair looks nice and shiny. It looks super defined. This works like so nice at lifting the roots. I'm not sure if they sell this separately on their site or if it just comes in the kits, but I really love this pick. There you have it. Another amazing curly hair line has been discovered. Have any of you heard of this line? Use this line. If you have, leave me a comment letting me know what your thoughts are on it. I approve of this curly hair line. That is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and of course I will see you in my next video. Peace out.